Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money as fast as possible, realistically, with the affiliate marketing business model. And we're going to be using and leveraging YouTube ads to do this. For those of you guys that don't know, YouTube ads are very underpriced. Not a whole lot of people are actually on YouTube right now. A lot of people are still over on Facebook advertising. So there's a huge opportunity for you to take a piece of the pie when it comes to YouTube. Now, the reason why I love YouTube so much and why I see the power in YouTube ads is because I come from the SEO background, the search engine optimization background, and I understand the power of keywords. Now, a keyword is simply a word or phrase that somebody goes to YouTube or even Google or any other search engine and they type in. So imagine if somebody has a migraine headache, for example, and they're looking for a solution to get rid of that migraine headache, right? The pain is great. And so what do? They don't go scroll Facebook for the solution. They go to YouTube or they go to Google and they type in how to get rid of my migraine headache. And if we have a product or some sort of solution that they could buy to relieve that pain, then they're going to do so because they're typing in exactly what they want, exactly what they need right as they need it. So that's why I see such a power when it comes to YouTube marketing and just search engine marketing versus any other advertising method out there. Because with YouTube and YouTube ads specifically, we can accomplish the same exact thing. If somebody has a problem they want to solve, they go to YouTube, they type a search phrase in, and guess what? We could have a YouTube ad that gives them the solution to their exact problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive into my computer. I'm going to show you a recent campaign that I've been running from the beginning of March to now April 24th. I've spent over $50,000 in this campaign, and I want to show you the results of it. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you're somebody that's promoting other people's products, you're going to get so much value from this. I've talked about recent changes that have been taking place in the affiliate marketing landscape, that you shouldn't just be direct linking to an offer from a YouTube ad or from any other advertisement. Obviously, a lot of you guys understand that you need to be capturing the lead from the get-go. You need some sort of pre-sale page, but this gets even better. You shouldn't just have a pre-sale page in front of an offer. You should actually have your own offer in front of the affiliate offer. So I'm going to show you the results of me having my own offer on the front end of my advertising. So then on the back end, everything is 100% profit, especially if I'm able to get my leads and buyers for 100% free. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same. Even if you have no list, no following, you don't know how to create any products, you don't know how to create any offers, you don't know how to run any ads, we're going to answer all of that within this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and first show you the results from this recent campaign. I'm actually going to pull up my Google AdWords account, as you can see right here. Next selection marketing. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this so you guys can see that this is all fresh data, raw and uncut. So March 1st to April 24th, 2020, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see I spent $51,619.76. So let me go ahead and minimize that and let me show you the results. How much did I actually make back? Did I make profit? Did I break even? Did I lose money? So we're in my Kartra account here, and you can see that it's marked 3/1/2020 to 4/24/2020. So we're going to go ahead and refresh that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I was running ads to this specific funnel right here with all these products. And then once people get access to the actual product, I have other income streams which are included right here. Okay, so we're going to add both of these numbers up. So we profited $34,581 here since March 1st. And then we've profited $26,126. So let's go ahead and add each of those figures up. 26,126 plus $34,581. $34,581. And that's $60,707, which is a difference, right? This is right around 51. So let's go ahead and round up to 52. About $8,000 in profit just on the front end of our advertising. Okay, so we've not only broken even on the front end of our front end offer, but we've actually made money, which is incredible, right? So then what we can do is we now have a list of buyers. We have a list of leads that we've been able to generate for 100% free that we can now promote other higher ticket offers or really any other offer within this specific niche. So the niche that we're in is the affiliate marketing niche, the digital education niche itself. So teaching affiliate marketers how to start and grow an affiliate marketing business effectively. So these products all are products that show people how to promote on places like ClickBank, how to leverage brand new launches to make money from those brand new launches, basics of the tools that you need to set up a business, anything to help an affiliate marketer succeed. That's what we're promoting throughout this funnel. And this is exactly what the funnel looks like. And this is what you should have in your affiliate marketing business is a self-liquidating offer. I like to call it also a front end offer. And you can see all the different products within right here are all the products that are listed here. So this is the funnel from a 10,000 foot perspective. We lead people from an opt-in page where they enter their name and email address. Of course, we capture that email and then we follow up with them automatically. And then they're sent to what's called a low ticket tripwire for $7. They check out. During the checkout process, they're offered a order bump called the Launch Jacking Case Study Series. That's $37. And then once they check out, goes to yet another upsell where they can relicense our system. They can try it out for $1, and then it's $47 a month. And by the way, you earn commissions off of each and every one of these stages too if you're one of our affiliates. But again, I'm speaking to you from somebody that's a company owner. Then it goes to the checkout for being able to relicense this whole entire process. And then they go to another page where they can actually get lifetime access instead of paying monthly. They can pay one time. If they don't take us up on that offer, they're downsold to where they pay $47 for the first month and they get the second month free, which is kind of cool as well. So this is the process that we've used to not only break even, but actually get into profit. And I get a lot of people that ask me, Josh, why do I get upsold on all these different products? And that's actually a valid question because a lot of times people feel like the product owner just wants more and more money out of them. But that's not the case. The case is if you want to build a successful business, you have to have multiple products that you sell in one sequence, right? If I was just selling the $7 product, I would have never broken even on this process. I would have spent this $51,000 and I would have lost a lot of money. So you need to understand why you need to have other products that you're promoting within your funnel so you can actually make a little bit of money, hopefully on the front end, and get as close to break even as possible. Even as an affiliate, imagine if you were promoting this as an affiliate and you only had this $7 product that you were selling and you were making 50% commission where the product owner like myself was making 100% commission. You're going to lose even more money. I'm going to lose a ton of money. You're going to lose even more money. And so that's why it's important as an affiliate and as a product owner that you have a system or a process that you're promoting, an affiliate offer that has many different products within one sales funnel. Okay, so this is what I like to call a self-liquidating offer. As an affiliate, it shouldn't necessarily get you to break even, but it should lower your cost per lead. And then what you can do is obviously take those leads, make sure that you take care of those leads, you build a relationship with those leads. And then on the back end, that's where you promote other higher ticket products. And that's where you make the big commissions, right? The $500 commissions, the $1,000, the $2,000, the $3,000. So we've got these lower ticket products that we promote on the front end. And then on the back end within our actual system, by the way, this is an example of our system right here. So on the back end of this system, we have other higher ticket products that we promote. Okay, and those products range anywhere between $1,000 all the way up to $25,000, depending on what, the consumer's wants and needs are. So this is where you start to make the big money. So not only was I able to make $8,000 on the front end, but on the back end, this is where we start really, really getting into profit. And this is where we see figures like this. As you can see, we're in our merchant account right here. And just over the past month, the 1st to the 24th, we've actually done $72,866.41 in net volume. Okay, that's a 103% increase from last month. And that's all because of having this on the front end. So when you're going out there and you're promoting, do not expect to make money on the front end of an affiliate offer that you're promoting. Okay, don't expect to do that, especially if the affiliate offer has just one product that it's promoting. Even if it has multiple products, still don't expect to even break even and get into profit unless you're the product owner. And that's why it's so important to have your own product on the front end. But if you don't have your product on the front end, just know the expectation that you're building a list for much cheaper, and then everything on the back end right here is what we really want to shoot for. So we want to play the long game. So you should expect within your first 30 days, right, you're going to be generating leads right here. And then 60 to 90 days, these leads that you generated in the first 30 days are going to start converting on the back end to high ticket sales as you start promoting higher ticket products through your email autoresponder, right? So once these people are on this list, they've gone through this process, then you could start to market these types of offers to them, which are higher ticket offers. So expect 90 days for a lead going from just a low ticket buyer to a high ticket buyer. So can you now see how you need to be playing the long game when it comes to affiliate marketing? A lot of people will just run traffic to an affiliate offer like this, expect to make profit, and they might actually be getting their leads for super cheap, but they quit too soon. So they've got a pile of leads. Now they're not even following up with these pile of leads, promoting other offers and even higher ticket offers to them, helping them get closer to their goals. They just completely quit because they don't understand what the business model actually entails, actually what it takes. Okay? And this is what it takes. Having a hybrid marketing system, having low ticket products that you're promoting on the front end, and then through your emails and systematic processes like membership sites, you promote your higher ticket products on the back end. Makes sense? So my question for you is, how would you like to copy this whole entire process? You knew it was coming, right? Why not copy my process instead of having to reinvent the wheel and create your own process, right? You can see the data. You saw the data throughout this video that this whole process works. So what I want to do for you is I want to set you up with this system. And you're going to have the ability, if you want to earn 100% commissions, not 50% commissions like a normal affiliate, but become a full certified partner to where you can earn 100% commissions off of the sale of all these products. And then for our back-end products that we'll promote for you, you'll earn 50% commissions on all of our back-end products, up to 50% commissions. Now we do have a sales team that does all the closing, all the selling for you. So you'll expect to make, for the most part, right around 30% commissions on back-end high-ticket sales. Again, these products range up to $25,000. But if you feel savvy and you'd like to close your own sales, you can feel free to do that too as well. I mean, that's completely up to you. But what we'll do is we will set all this stuff up for you, okay? We will set up the back-end process for you. We've got the web pages, we've got the offers, obviously we've got the email follow-up, we've got the products for you. We're going to take care of that whole process for you. Now, we're even going to give you access to the same YouTube ads that I use. So you're going to go through my YouTube Ads Mastery course, and you're going to be able to copy my exact YouTube ads. And I show you exactly how to upload them to a fresh new channel. These are all of my highest converting ads that you're going to be able to use. You're going to be able to copy and deploy in your own online business. So these are the same ads that have produced the results that you've seen. Obviously, the 53 or the $51,000, almost $52,000 ad spend, along with the profit that we've made here. You're going to be able to copy this whole entire process. So you get all the assets. You pretty much get a business in a box, fully deployed, helping you get jump started in your online business, overcoming most of the obstacles that newbies deal with when it comes to promoting online. It's copywriting, it's placing ads, it's the creativity, that part. So we want to help kind of boost your success and help you shortcut your results by kind of pushing you to the finish line to a point to where you can start to do a lot of this stuff yourself. Eventually, we want you to be independent so you can create your own offers, so you can set up your own YouTube ads, so you can write your own emails. But right now, we want to help you succeed quickly. So yes, this is a shameless plug, but at the same time, I'm going to show you what's worked in my business. Why would I tell you to go in an entire different niche where you have to learn the niche, you have to find out their struggles and their pains, and then you have to create videos, you have to create products, you have to do all the legwork yourself. Why should I tell you to do that when I can just give you something that works, where I can benefit from it and you can obviously benefit from it as well? So if you like the sound of this, you want access to this, all you need to do is click the link below, book a call with myself or one of my certified coaches. We're genuinely going to see if you're a good fit. Obviously, there's going to be an investment required. That goes without saying. But our first goal is to say, okay, based off of what your needs are and based off of what we're looking for in this program, it's a mutual fit. So I want you to know, getting on this call, we're not here to sell, we're not here to tell. That's what this presentation should have already done. We're here to see if you're actually going to put in the work, you're going to listen to us, you're going to set this up the way that we tell you, and you're going to be willing to grow. That's what we're looking for. If that's something that you can't do, then don't book a call. But if you're somebody that's resourceful, if you're somebody that really wants this, if you're somebody that wants to make a change in your life and your business, we would love to speak to you and see if this is something that you want and this is something that we want to take on with you, okay? So go ahead and click the link below. We look forward to speaking with you, and hopefully you are our next success story.